Welcome to 868 Pueblo Drive. This home is set on a private, professionally landscaped acre in the highly desirable town of Franklin Lakes, known for its open spaces, top schools, and low taxes. All this within 25 miles of New York City. You enter into a two-story foyer with beautiful moldings and a herringbone wood inlay floor. This is a home where you can easily entertain and have large family gatherings. The eat-in kitchen has an abundance of storage, including a walk-in pantry and an expansive center island, highlighted by the custom ceiling millwork. All the counters are a durable marble quartz, adding a timeless feel to the contrasting two-tone cabinetry finishes. Throughout the home, black doors and casings are highlighted by the white walls. The great room has the first of 3 gas fireplaces in the home, finished with marble tile and a custom surround, as well as a beautiful coffered ceiling. Large windows look out on the private yard and patio. The formal dining room is perfect for large holiday celebrations as well as intimate dinner parties in front of the second custom marble fireplace. There is a striking powder room for your guests. The first floor also offers an office or study, large bonus room, and a private guest suite with full bath and walk-in closet. The large master bedroom overlooks the backyard and is really a sanctuary with its vaulted ceilings, a third marble fireplace, 2 huge walk-in custom closets. The master bath leaves nothing to be desired, from the large shower and custom vanities, finished with a luxurious soaking tub, a perfect place to end the day. On the top floor of the home, there are 4 bedrooms with ample closet space and 2 full baths with custom tile work. The lower level of this home is a wonderful recreation area. The space is fully finished with waterproof flooring and includes a custom bar and an additional full bathroom. If you're ready for the lifestyle of this extraordinary home in this prime location, give us a call. We'd love to give you a private tour.